Welcome to this in-depth guide to dYdX, the decentralized trading platform revolutionizing how crypto enthusiasts trade. In this video, I'll walk you through the platform's key features and how you can use them to enhance your trading strategy. dYdX offers a cutting-edge experience for traders who value speed, security, and transparency in their transactions. First, let's dive into the homepage of dYdX. The layout is sleek and user-friendly, allowing traders to navigate the platform effortlessly. You will notice options for spot trading, derivatives trading, and leverage positions prominently displayed. These features cater to both beginners and seasoned traders. The trading interface is equipped with real-time charts, advanced order types, and a seamless connection to your wallet. One standout feature of dYdX is its focus on decentralization. By using smart contracts, your trades are secure, and funds remain in your control at all times. The platform eliminates the need for intermediaries, ensuring cost efficiency and transparency. Whether you're looking to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other top cryptocurrencies, dYdX provides competitive fees and high liquidity. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Another key advantage of dYdX is its zero gas fees for trades conducted on its Layer 2 protocol. This means you can execute high-frequency trades without worrying about excessive costs, making it ideal for active traders. Additionally, the platform offers robust analytical tools and API access for those looking to build algorithmic trading strategies. If you're a new user, signing up is straightforward. Connect your wallet, complete the quick verification steps, and you're ready to trade. For an extra perk, use my link in the description to sign up and claim your exclusive bonus. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest in crypto trading.